When was the last time you got on your roof? Your roof is your home's most important protection from damage. Just one small hole from a hailstorm can become a nightmare of water-damaged ceilings, walls, carpets, and even mold. But the good news is that you can check your roof proactively, and you don't need to climb a ladder to do so. All you'll want to do is to set up a professional inspection. Make sure you ask for an inspection by a locally based, insurance-approved contractor. An inspection by ASAP Roofing takes about 15 minutes and doesn't cost you a penny. We'll come to your home at a time that's good for you, carefully climb onto your roof, and review each section to ensure you're safe from harm. If there's no damage, we'll let you know so that you don't have to worry about mold or other interior damages. If there is roof damage, we'll let you know if your current home insurance will cover the whole process of fixing it, so it doesn't cost you anything out of pocket. If you see roofers working in your area, that's a sign that your home likely has damage too. So set up a free inspection by contacting us via Facebook, our website, or calling us at 214-447-7930.